That blurry, autofocus footage you've been uploading? It's not your fault. It's your camera. I tested 25 of the most hyped vlogging cameras of 2026. Full-frame mirrorless. Compact point-and shoots. Action cams. Even the new AI-powered gimbal cameras that promise perfect tracking. And here's the truth nobody tells you, half of them failed the walking test. Jittery stabilization. Terrible low-light performance. An autofocus that loses your face the second you turn around. But 5 cameras, 5 absolute monsters passed every test. They deliver buttery smooth stabilization, flawless eye-tracking autofocus, and colors that make you look like a Hollywood cinematographer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which camera fits your style, whether you're a beginner vlogging from your bedroom or a pro shooting cinematic travel content. Let's find your perfect lens. Starting at number 1. Sony ZV-E10 II. Best mid-range vlogging camera. The Sony ZV-E10 II may not be as advanced as the Sony ZV-E1, with more of a hybrid design and a smaller APS-C sensor that's less suited to low light, but it's chock full of amazing video features for the price. Despite incurring a notable crop, it can record in 4K at up to 120 frames per second for slow motion or action recording, and the camera uses the same incredibly effective AF system as the higher-end ZV-E1. You also get IBIS for smoother handheld recording and a fully articulated screen so you can monitor yourself. Plus, more advanced shooters can take advantage of internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording to get more flexibility in post. Overall, the ZV-E10 is an excellent video camera for the price, with more than enough advanced video features to please enthusiasts. But don't overlook the Fujifilm X-S20 in this price range either. Its AF isn't as reliable as the ZV-E10S, and it maxes out at 4K 60 frames per second, but it's another excellent choice for video work, with a dedicated vlog mode that simplifies the vlogging process for content creators. It even includes more advanced features like OpenGate 6.2K recording to give you more flexibility with aspect ratios to post across different social media channels. Number 2. Sony ZV-E10 II. Best entry-level vlogging camera. If the Sony ZV-E10 is out of your price range, the Sony ZV-E10 II is a great choice at a lower price point. The biggest trade-off here is the lack of built-in stabilization, but you can compensate for that to an extent by using optically stabilized lenses and enabling e-stabilization. That aside, the camera has surprisingly advanced video features, with a slow-motion recording mode that can capture 4K 120 frames per second footage and internal 10-bit 4:2:2 support. Video quality is great overall, and the camera's autofocus performs remarkably well in video mode. Like the other ZV cameras we mention in this article, it lacks a viewfinder, but the camera's fully articulated touchscreen is ideal for vlogging. It has the usual Sony vlogging features, including a background defocus button to quickly switch to a shallow depth of field and a product showcase mode for product vloggers. Overall, it's one of the best entry-level options for vlogging. Number 3. Sony ZV-E10. Best budget vlogging camera. The Sony ZV-E10 is the predecessor to the Sony ZV-E10 II above. The new model has some notable improvements, particularly its internal recording capability and frame rate options, maxing out at 30 frames per second in 4K with a slight crop. However, it has a very reliable autofocus system, and it's notably cheaper, making it the best option for vloggers on a tight budget. Other than that, you should expect a similar design and feature set compared to the other Sonys we've mentioned here: no viewfinder, a 3-capsule vlogging mic, fully articulated screen, and the usual vlogging modes, like product showcase. If the formula works, it works. Ultimately, if you can live without those high frame rate options in 4K or internal 10-bit 4:2:2 color, then this is a great budget choice to get you started. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2. Best cheap vlogging camera. While interchangeable lens models give content creators the most flexibility, the DJI Pocket 2 is a unique all-in-one vlogging tool that won't break the bank. Unlike our other picks, it has a built-in 3-axis stabilized gimbal, so you can easily capture buttery smooth handheld footage without expensive stabilizers or gimbals. Did we mention the whole thing can fit in your back pocket? That alone makes this a worthy addition to the slew of different vlogging cameras today. Aside from its gimbal, its 1/1.7-inch sensor gives it better low-light performance than most cameras of its size, and it can shoot at up to 60 frames per second in 4K, with a slow-motion capture mode that records at up to 240 frames per second in 1080p. On top of that, there's an active track feature that can automatically follow a subject as they move around. While the DJI Pocket 3 improves upon the Pocket 2 even further, with a better sensor and processor, it's also significantly pricier, so the Pocket 2 model is one of the best cheap options to get you started with vlogging. Number 5. Sony ZV-1. Best compact vlogging camera. If you need something compact, consider a point-and-shoot like the Sony ZV-1. Like the Sony ZV-E10, Sony ZV-E10 II, and Sony ZV-E10 mentioned above, it features a vlogging-friendly design with a fully articulated screen and vlogging mic, complete with a detachable windscreen to reduce wind noise. Unlike its interchangeable lens stablemates, the ZV-1 is much more portable and uses a smaller 1-inch type sensor. While that means it's less suited to dim lighting conditions, the camera still records high-quality video, has a great autofocus system, and offers plenty of frame rate options. The newer Sony ZV-1 II features an updated lens with a wider field of view that, on the surface, is better suited to vlogging. But, unlike the original ZV-1, it lacks optical stabilization and crops your footage when using digital stabilization, in some ways mitigating the advantage of using a wide-angle lens. The best vlogging camera isn't the one with the biggest specs on paper. It's the one that gets out of your way and lets you focus on telling your story. The 5 cameras we showed you today? They do exactly that. But here's the catch. Prices fluctuate constantly in 2026, and some models come with exclusive creator bundles that aren't available everywhere. If you want to grab any of the cameras we featured today, all the links, including the 2026 kits with extra batteries, memory cards, and the exact lenses we recommend, are waiting for you in the description box below. Those links are verified for the best pricing and current availability. If this guide helped you finally choose your next camera, smash that like button. It helps other creators find the right gear too. Share this with someone who's still filming on their phone, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming video on the 5 audio mistakes that ruin great footage. Thanks for watching. Now go create something unforgettable. See you in the next one.